In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect custom domain to Lovable. By the end, you'll know exactly how to start the connection process inside Lovable, so your project can live at a clean, branded web address instead of a default link. This is great for building trust, improving memorability, and keeping your brand consistent across all touchpoints. First, open your project in the Lovable editor. Make sure you've loaded the correct project, especially if you manage multiple sites or apps. It helps to double check the project name and preview the latest version so you know you're connecting the right one. If you're part of a team, ensure you have published permissions, since some actions may be limited by role. Next, look to the top right corner of the editor and click the Share or Publish button. Different versions of Lovable may show one or the other, but both take you where you need to go. This opens the panel where you manage how your project is shared and published, including domain settings. Inside that panel, find the Custom Domain section and select Add Domain. This is where you'll link your branded address. You'll see a field where you can type your domain. Enter it exactly as you want users to visit it, such as www.yourbrand.com for a typical marketing site, or app.yourbrand.com if you prefer a subdomain for an application. Be careful not to include HTTP or HTTPS, and don't add extra slashes or spaces, just the domain itself. If you're deciding between a root domain and a subdomain, consider how your overall web presence is organized. Many teams point the primary marketing site to www and use subdomains like app, portal, or blog for specific experiences. Before you confirm, take a moment to think about what you want to become the canonical address. For example, if you enter www.yourbrand.com, that's what people will share and remember. It's also a good idea to keep your domain registrar login handy for later, as Lovable may guide you through additional steps outside the editor after you add the domain. You don't need to do anything else right now, but having access ready can make the next part faster. Once you've entered your domain, Lovable will register it with your project and prompt you with the next on-screen guidance. That's it for initiating the connection. From here, simply follow the prompts you see in Lovable to finish the process. If anything doesn't look right, return to the editor, confirm you're in the correct project, and check that the domain was typed exactly as intended. You've just taken the key first step toward launching on your own custom domain.